I have a Honda Accord here. This one got hit dead center in the front, destroyed the hood, and the radiator support, you can see, is completely crushed. I have a new one right here. First, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a pull and roughly pull this out, because you might not be able to see it, but when this moved, it could have shifted the attachment points on these upper rails where it attaches. So by pulling off the old one, it should shift all that stuff back. And then once I do that, then I'll go ahead and start cutting this one off and fitting the new one up. I like to scuff these up for paint before I put it in. Just makes it a little easier once it's all welded in to get to everything. Our paint department will actually paint these before I weld it in, and then just go back and touch up the spots where I weld. They don't have time for that right now, so I'm gonna get it welded in and they could come back and paint it later. Now these radiator supports are always a little tricky to get in because the angle of these upper rails, the way it has to slide together, but you can get them in. It just takes a little bit of prying and they'll slip right in. I have this radiator support roughly fit up. I'm gonna do some comparison measurements, and I'm checking the length here right now. And you can see that's pretty much perfect side to side. Then I'm gonna do an X. And that is perfect as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything clamped down tight and get this welded in. So our paint department came and got this one all painted for me while I was at lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put cavity wax in all the tight areas where you can't get paint to, like inside of here. This sprays in a 360-degree pattern. And it will coat all of that. You don't have to worry about it rusting. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hook what I have to back up to get this one movable. And And this one will go over to our paint department so they can paint the outside panels. Get it finished up.